Hello Acorn class. Today we've got set 2 and 3 sounds all mixed up. So the first time I'm going to say the sounds, then you'll see them again without the sound for you to join in with. Here we go. Are you ready? O, air, o, I, oo, ow, air, or, oi, oo, o, ah, a, oi, ow, e, or, I, a, e, oo, a, your, ear, ire, shun, shus. So now you're going to see them again without the sound for you to say the sounds. Your turn. So how did you get on, Acorn class? Did you remember all of those sounds? Remember, if there's some there that you're not sure of, go back to the videos and have another go. But you're doing a great job. Keep practicing. See you soon.